Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your liked videos on Pinterest. So let's open the Pinterest mobile application here. And for example, if I just like any of the video here, you can just go to the watch and you can just like any of this. So guys, if I scroll down and if I just like this video, right, you can see I've liked this video. So basically what you have to do, you have to just go back and in the bottom right side corner, you have to click on your profile icon. So just click on your profile icon, then you have to click on the three dots which is on the top right side corner and just go to the setting. Okay, and here you will find this home feed tuner. So just click on this and just go to the history. You will see that the video which I have liked, so it is here. Just make sure that this the history feed will be covered with so many topics which you have visited earlier, your photos or videos, that kind. So I have to make sure to say it right. So this is it. This is the only way where you can see your liked videos on Pinterest. And if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.